Is it possible to make easy money with a side hustle? Well, yes and no. So there's a lot that goes into that question, of course. There's picking the right side hustle for you. There's putting in all the work that you need to do to make it a passive income, if that's even your goal at all. There's thinking through whether it's sustainable long term. There's questions regarding, do you want this to be your full-time job? Or are you happy with it always being a side income? So there's obviously a lot that goes into this question. But the simple answer is yes. If you're willing to work hard, if you pick a side hustle that both you're good at and other people can utilize, then absolutely, you can make money with it. But at the same time, there's lots of pitfalls that you need to make sure that you avoid when picking a side hustle. Number one, don't pick a side hustle just because you think it's going to lead to a lot of money. This is just asking for trouble. If you pick a side hustle just because you're greedy, that you want more money, you're either going to be disappointed with how slow the money comes in, or you're not going to be able to maintain it long term. It takes a lot of work to get a side hustle up and running. You need to be able to pick something that you're going to be able to do for the long haul. And picking something just based on whether you think it's going to make money or not, that's not the best strategy. You need to pick something that you're going to be passionate about doing. Think through your own skill set and think about what you can do that other people are going to benefit from. Once you find the intersection between your passion and other people's needs, that's when you found a good side hustle. Don't pick it based on money, pick it based on your skill set. But a second pitfall that people can fall victim to when picking something that's already oversaturated in the marketplace. Just because you found something that you like, that other people can benefit from, doesn't necessarily mean that other people are going to want to pay you specifically for that thing. If there's already a ton of people cutting grass in a neighborhood, maybe you enjoy cutting grass, but maybe there's not the need that's out there. Certainly in this situation, people benefit from having their grass cut, but if there's already enough people cutting grass, they don't need you to do it. So in the process of picking a side hustle, you need to do some market research. Is what you want to offer even needed? Or are there already enough people doing it? The remedy to this pitfall can actually be solved by addressing the third pitfall. The third pitfall of picking a good side hustle is not differentiating yourself enough. Your good side hustle isn't just going to be about your passions, and it's not going to just be about the need. It's going to be about you standing out from the crowd. Think about what you specifically can do that nobody else can do. Or if the thing that you want to do has already been done before, think about how you can do it differently or better than others. If you can stand out from the crowd, make your service just a little bit better, that can lead to a great income. As you think about what you want to do as a side income, don't just think about doing the same thing other people are doing and saying, me too, me too. Think about how you can make yourself even better than the competition. When you do something better or bigger, people are going to take notice, and that's going to lead to a better income. Number four, don't think that your side income needs to replace your full-time income. Now, of course, a lot of people have aspirations of their side hustle becoming their main hustle. Maybe you're passionate about video editing. Maybe you're passionate about making videos online. Maybe you're passionate about a book that you're writing. Maybe you're passionate about cutting grass or whatever it is. And you just wish that this side hustle that you have, this thing that you're doing just on the side, can really become your full-time job. Now, that's a fine aspiration. And if that's what you want, then sure, go for it. Absolutely. Don't burn yourself out in the process. Don't think that it's going to happen overnight. Work towards it, make some plans, and work the plan. But for a lot of us, we just want our side hustle to stay as a side hustle. Even if it eventually becomes a greater amount of revenue than your main job, a lot of us aren't looking to replace our main job. That's what we feel called to. That's what our main vocation, our purpose in life is. It's totally okay to have a side hustle that stays a side hustle. Sure, maybe you want it to grow. Maybe you want to increase your revenue from that side hustle. It's totally possible that your side hustle becomes a great source of revenue if you pick the right side hustle and avoid some of these pitfalls we're talking about. But I guess what I'm saying is just think through what you want your side hustle to be, whether you want to do it full time, whether you want to just keep it, on the side forever. Whatever you decide about that is totally fine. It's your choice after all. In the end, a side hustle can be whatever you want it to be. It can make a little bit of money on the side. It can turn into your main source of income. It can just stay small if you want it to be. It's up to you. Make it what you want it to be. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.